This is HTML lesson number 75. What if you want to increase or decrease the space between the letters of your text? This works great with acronyms. Okay. Let's do this. Oops. We're going to have head and body tags. Why don't we just go ahead and type those in. That way, you don't forget them. This is a good way to do this. Okay. And now you know you're going to have head and body tags. Now then, let's put a title tag in here. Oh, dang it. Alright. Here is a clue as to what we're going to do in this lesson. Ta-da! Okay, so that's what we're going to use. This will become our new declaration. And what we're going to do is we're going to do this. I'm going to go down here. Now, I tried this video once before, and guess what happened? I forgot this quotation mark, and as soon as I did, the whole web page failed. So, don't forget your quotation marks. Don't forget your closing tags. Make sure you have everything before you move on to the next step. Now, let's go ahead and add our selector. Okay? Now, and don't forget your opening and closing braces. That's another thing that caused your web page to fail. Down here, this is our selector. Do you remember me asking you about that in the previous lesson? Well, that's the selector right there. Okay, now. Don't forget your colon. Don't forget your semicolon. Okay, let me go down just a little bit more. Okay. There you go. Do you remember this declaration from a previous lesson? I bet you do. Okay. Now, not only we're going to have this as 25-point font size, but we're going to have all of our text in bold. That way it's a lot more readable. Okay. You don't want to do that with every piece of text you have, but if you have important text, there you go. Okay, now. And this is how you use the letter spacing. As you can see here, we have our colon, our semicolon, and of course, our closing brace. That's very important. Now we're going to go down to the body tags. And now what are we going to type? Well, let me adjust the camera like this. Okay. Okay, we have our opening paragraph tag. This attribute matches our selector right up here. We have the letters IRS. That's our acronym right there. We're going to have the closing tag right here. And now, guess what we're going to do next? We're going to save our work. I'm going to type in L-E-T-T-E-R. That stands for letter. That's how you spell letter. And then we're going to put an underscore. Okay, you know what an underscore is. Okay. Whoops. Get it real close there. Letter underscore spacing dot HTML. Okay. Now we're going to save our work. And then we're going to go to HTML student. Double click letter spacing. And there you go, people. Lots of space between the I, the R, and the S. Now you know how to space out your letters. Let's take a look at that. Alright. I got a lot more to show you, so I want you to stay tuned.